Here's the thing I did not catch. Yeah, I want to get this. What the? Oh, that's the... Oh, never mind, it doesn't. I thought it did. Where's Ethan? Look at what we just found.
Just starting outside.
Thyssenkrupp. Oh. I didn't even no. Again, it's got tiara on the outside.
Wonderful lantern.
There's one thing that I didn't catch, and the exterior indicators also have chimes. I don't know if you heard it. The exterior indicator outside where the call button was, it had a beep.
Alright, well. Let's hear it down here if they're not here. Well, as long
Jesus.
One more?
Yeah.
But we'll still play out.
We'll end on them too.
Alright. It's blurry.
The cab itself, very basic. I want to get this door.
I want to hear that chime.
What's this door? Yeah, let me see. These got. This is mind-boggling. It also it like has tiara on the outside and has regular stuff on the inside. Only at Sunny Farmingdale. Also, I think this one might have the be able to say.
Hold on, focus camera. I don't know why I got this issue.
Oh, this one doesn't have it. It's the one downstairs that has it.
That's what?
The beep. It had a beep on the exterior call button. Hold on, maybe it... I just heard it bang. No, it's only downstairs. Okay, that's it.